Welcome to the heart of real farming power, where machines don't just work, they transform harvest into life. Today, you're about to witness an incredible combination of a powerful tractor and a high-efficiency white wheat thresher working together in perfect harmony. Watch closely, because this is where raw wheat becomes clean, usable grain, fast, precise, and deeply satisfying. Wheat threshing is one of the most important steps in agriculture. After the crop is harvested, the real challenge begins. Separating the grain from the straw. This is exactly where the wheat thresher machine comes in. In this process, the tractor provides the driving force, while the thresher performs the complex job of separating, cleaning, and collecting wheat grains efficiently. This is modern farming in action, powerful, practical, and incredibly productive. The tractor you see here is not just a machine, it's the powerhouse of the entire operation. Equipped with a strong diesel engine and high torque output, it delivers continuous power to the thresher through the PTO, also known as the power takeoff system. This connection allows the to operate at high speed without interruption. Now, take a closer look at the white wheat thresher. Inside this machine, multiple components work together in perfect coordination. There's a high-speed rotating drum, a concave system, vibrating sieves, and a powerful blower fan. Each part has a specific role. The drum strikes the wheat bundles, separating the grains from the stalks. The concave allows the grains to fall through while the straw moves forward. The sieves filter the grains, and the blower removes dust, husk, and other light materials. As the harvested wheat is fed into the machine, everything happens within seconds. The rotating drum creates a strong impact force that instantly separates the grain. The mixture then passes through the concave where clean grains begin to fall. Meanwhile, the straw is pushed out separately. In the next stage, airflow from the blower removes unwanted particles, while the sieves ensure that only clean, high-quality wheat is collected. What you see coming out at the end of the process is pure wheat. Clean, ready, and valuable. This entire system works continuously, allowing farmers to process large amounts of crop in a very short time. The performance of this operation depends heavily on consistent power. A typical tractor used for this work produces around 50 to 85 horsepower, which is enough to keep the thresher running smoothly at high speed. The engine is designed to handle heavy loads while maintaining fuel efficiency, making the process both powerful and economical. Compared to traditional methods, this modern system is a huge improvement. In the past, Threshing wheat required manual labor, which was slow, tiring, and less efficient. Today, machines like these have completely transformed farming. Farmers can now complete in hours what used to take days. This brings several advantages. The process is faster, the grain quality is better and there is less wastage. Labor costs are reduced and productivity is significantly increased. This is why mechanized farming is now essential in many parts of the world. However, behind every smooth operation is a skilled operator. Running the tractor at the right speed, feeding the crop at the correct rate, and maintaining machine balance all require experience. A small mistake can reduce efficiency or even damage the equipment. That's why proper handling and attention are always important. Safety is another key factor. Machines like these are powerful and must be used carefully. Operators must avoid loose clothing, maintain a safe distance, and ensure that the machine is not overloaded. Following safety measures helps prevent accidents and keeps the operation running smoothly. What you're watching is not just a machine doing work, it's a system that supports farmers, feeds families, and drives agriculture forward. Every grain produced through this process plays a role in the global food supply. So the next time you see wheat on your table, remember the journey behind it, from the field through powerful machines to your home. This is the story of hard work, smart technology, and real farming power. If you enjoyed this amazing process, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful farming and heavy machinery content. Keep watching, keep learning, and respect the power behind agriculture.